Welcome to AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. I'm Chris Doelle, and each week I bring you the most important AI developments that can transform your business. Let's dive into this week's top stories.
Story 1: OpenAI announces O3 breakthrough reasoning AI model. On December 20th, OpenAI unveiled O3 and O3 Mini, their next-generation reasoning AI models that represent a significant leap forward in artificial intelligence capabilities. The O3 model scored an astounding 96.7% on the 2024 American Invitational Mathematics exam, missing just one question, and achieved 87.7% on GPQA Diamond, a benchmark for graduate-level scientific reasoning. What makes this announcement particularly relevant for small businesses? These reasoning models are designed to handle multi-step problem solving, which means they can tackle complex business processes that previously required significant human expertise. While O3 is currently in testing phase and not yet publicly available, it signals where AI is heading, towards systems that can truly reason through complex scenarios rather than just pattern match responses. The business implication? Start preparing for AI that can handle sophisticated analysis tasks like financial modeling, strategic planning, and complex customer service scenarios. This isn't science fiction, it's coming in 2025. Story 2: Mark Cuban's career advice: new grads should help SMBs with AI. On December 26th, billionaire Mark Cuban made waves with unexpected career advice for new graduates. Instead of chasing jobs at tech giants, Cuban urged them to seek positions at small and medium-sized businesses, and here's why: SMBs desperately need help implementing AI agents to optimize processes they couldn't previously afford to tackle manually. Cuban emphasized that big companies already have the resources and expertise for AI implementation, but entrepreneurial companies will love the value you add when you bring AI agent skills to their operations. He specifically highlighted that AI agents, virtual assistants that complete tasks autonomously from start to finish, are where new grads can add immediate value in ways the companies didn't know they needed. For small business owners, this is your wake-up call. If you're not actively exploring AI agents for your business, you're falling behind, and your next hire should probably include AI implementation skills in their job description. Story 3: South Korea passes Comprehensive AI Act. On December 26th, South Korea made history by becoming only the second country in the world, after the European Union, to pass comprehensive AI legislation. The AI Basic Act establishes a legal framework designed to balance innovation with trustworthiness, and it takes effect in January 2026. Why should U.S. small businesses care? Because South Korea's approach combines both promotional provisions to support AI development and regulatory measures to establish trust foundations. This balanced approach could influence how AI regulation evolves globally, including here in the U.S. The Act establishes a National AI Committee and AI Safety Research Institute, while supporting R&D and data sets for AI innovation. For small businesses, this signals that AI regulation is coming worldwide, and being proactive about ethical AI use, data security, and transparency isn't just good practice, it's becoming legally necessary. Story 4: ChatGPT advertising coming in 2026. According to multiple reports published this week, OpenAI is preparing to introduce advertising inside ChatGPT conversations starting in 2026. This marks a seismic shift in how online advertising works, moving from traditional search results to conversational discovery. Here's what makes this different: unlike Google's click-through ads, ChatGPT's conversational ads will be woven directly into the dialogue. Because ChatGPT understands context and intent, these ads will feel more personal and contextual than banner ads or search result links. For small business marketers, this is huge news. Google has dominated online advertising for years, making it expensive and difficult for companies with smaller budgets to compete. ChatGPT advertising creates the first legitimate competitor to this monopoly, and it won't just be OpenAI. Other AI chatbots will follow suit. The takeaway? Start preparing now. The skills you'll need are shifting from traditional SEO to AI optimization and conversational formats. Companies that master conversational advertising early will have a significant competitive advantage. Story 5: Trump executive order targets state AI regulations. On December 11th, President Trump signed an executive order titled Ensuring a National Policy Framework for Artificial Intelligence that aims to establish federal AI regulations while potentially overriding state laws. The order directs the Attorney General to establish an AI litigation task force within 30 days to review and potentially challenge state AI laws deemed inconsistent with federal policy. Specific targets include Colorado's algorithmic discrimination law and California's AI safety regulations. For small businesses, this creates both opportunity and uncertainty. On one hand, a single federal framework could simplify compliance compared to navigating 50 different state regulations. On the other hand, the legal challenges could create years of regulatory uncertainty. The practical advice? Don't ignore AI compliance regardless of how this plays out. Focus on best practices around data privacy, transparency, and ethical AI use. Those principles will matter whether regulation comes from federal or state level. Story 6: Amazon Nova AI Suite launches for sellers. In early December, Amazon introduced its Nova AI Suite, designed specifically to help small business sellers on its platform. The tools include Nova Canvas for generating high-quality product images and Nova Reel for creating multi-scene video ads, all automatically generated from up to 20 product images. What's particularly exciting is that Amazon is democratizing professional quality marketing content. Previously, creating compelling product videos required hiring videographers and editors, costs that many small sellers couldn't afford. Now AI handles the heavy lifting. Additionally, Amazon is rolling out Project Amelia, an AI business assistant currently available to select small businesses, with broader availability planned for 2026. These tools help sellers manage inventory, optimize listings, and respond to market trends. For e-commerce businesses, this levels the playing field. The same AI-powered marketing tools that big brands use are now available to solo entrepreneurs and small sellers, for free. Story 7: Meta goes all in on AI for small business. According to reporting published December 23, Meta revealed that over 1 million advertisers used their Gen AI tools to create more than 15 million ads in a single month. That's a staggering adoption rate that signals AI advertising tools have moved from experimental to mainstream. Meta has also been testing Business AI, a sales agent specifically designed for small and medium-sized businesses to help them leverage AI without needing technical expertise. While currently available only to select businesses, broader availability is expected in 2026. The numbers tell the story. AI-generated Meta ads are seeing higher engagement rates and lower costs per conversion than traditionally created ads. For small businesses competing with limited marketing budgets, these AI tools provide a legitimate competitive advantage. If you're running Facebook or Instagram ads and not using Meta's AI tools yet, you're spending more money for worse results than your AI-savvy competitors. Story 8: Insightly introduces AI Copilot for CRM. This week, Insightly launched Copilot, an AI chatbot integrated directly into their CRM platform. Unlike previous CRM AI features that felt like bolt-on additions, Copilot is designed to make the entire CRM experience more intuitive and significantly more powerful. Here's what makes it different: instead of clicking through menus, you can have conversations with your CRM. Need to create tasks, update customer records, or retrieve data? Just ask. Copilot handles conversational task management, automatically cleans and corrects CRM data to maintain accuracy, and generates insights about priority leads, follow-up opportunities, and customer trends. The problem Copilot solves is real. Most companies use only a small fraction of their CRM's features because they're too complex or time-consuming to master. Copilot acts as a companion that keeps deals and relationships organized without requiring you to become a CRM expert. For small businesses using Insightly or evaluating CRM options, this represents the future: AI that makes powerful tools accessible to everyone, not just power users. Story 9: Squarespace introduces Pay Links. Squarespace launched Pay Links this week, a dead simple way for small businesses to collect payments online using just a dedicated URL. No online store required. No shopping cart necessary. Here's how it works: you create a payment link for your service or product, then share it via text message, social media, QR codes, or embed it on your website. Customers click, pay, done. The links are fast, secure, branded, and work anywhere customers already interact with your business. This is especially valuable for service-based entrepreneurs, consultants, coaches, photographers, freelancers, who need to accept individual payments without the overhead of maintaining a full e-commerce store. The beauty of Pay Links is the simplicity. You're not managing inventory systems or complex checkout flows. You're sending a link and getting paid. Sometimes the best technology is the technology that gets out of your way. Story 10, Action Plan AI Moves You Should Make This Week. Let's bring this all together with concrete actions you can take right now. First, if you're hiring in 2025, add AI implementation skills to your job requirements. Mark Cuban is right, new grads with AI agent experience can add immediate value to small businesses who haven't had time to explore these tools. Second, start researching AI agents for your specific business processes. What repetitive tasks consume hours of your team's time? Those are prime candidates for AI automation. Don't wait until your competitors have a 6-month head start. Third, if you're doing any online advertising, experiment with AI-generated ad content now. Both Meta and Amazon have free AI tools for their platforms. Test them against your traditional ads and measure the results. The data will surprise you. Fourth, prepare for conversational advertising. ChatGPT ads are coming in 2026, but you can start optimizing for AI discovery right now by ensuring your business information is clear, concise, and answers the questions customers actually ask. And finally, focus on ethical AI practices regardless of regulatory uncertainty. Use AI responsibly, be transparent about when you're using it, protect customer data, and avoid discriminatory applications. These principles will keep you on the right side of regulations whether they come from federal, state, or international sources. The businesses that thrive in 2025 won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest AI budgets, they'll be the ones who move quickly, experiment intelligently, and implement thoughtfully. That's your competitive advantage as a small business, agility. That's AI Assembled for December 22nd through 29th, 2024. 10 stories, all from the past 7 days, all focused on what matters for small businesses navigating the AI revolution.
That's it for this week's AI Assembled, the top AI news for small business. If you found this valuable, share it with a fellow business owner. If you want a hands-on group that you can work with on your specific AI needs, consider joining Business Success Academy at freshmediaworks.com/BSA. Until next week, keep innovating and keep it real.